Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering up the Quest 2 and the keyboard. Make sure battery levels are healthy so pairing won't fail midway. Put the keyboard into its Bluetooth pairing mode or plug a USB-C adapter into the headset if using a wired board. Then, open the Quest Settings app and go straight to Devices. This is where you'll add input peripherals. Once done, keep the keyboard nearby and watch the headset's device list. You're ready to accept a new connection. You now perform the actual pairing step. In Settings, pick Add Accessory and choose Bluetooth Keyboard. The headset will scan and show device names. Select your keyboard, then type or confirm any PIN that appears. This authenticates the link. If you're using a wired keyboard with a USB-C OTG adapter, plug it in securely and the Quest should enumerate the device automatically. Make sure the cable and adapter support data, not just charging, because that's a common fail point. You finish by verifying the keyboard works inside VR. Open a text field and type to confirm layout and latency. If keys don't appear, first toggle Bluetooth and try pairing again. Next, reboot the Quest 2 and put the keyboard back into pairing mode. If problems persist, test the keyboard with another phone or PC to rule out the board itself, and swap cables or the OTG adapter to isolate a hardware issue. This method narrows down software versus hardware causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.